And now for a tip that might seem obvious, but threw me for a loop for like 24 hours. Okay, if you're like me, you got the BB-8, charged it all night long, tried your Bluetooth device, nothing will get it to connect, and you've looked all over this thing for any sort of button or what have you that might reset or just get this thing to work, pressed everywhere, and for some reason you just haven't seen this. Yeah, that's a button that works. It's the reset button. It's the reason why your BB-8 isn't connected to your phone. So press the button. It doesn't help that this button is not like talked about anywhere in any directions. There's no instructions, not even online. Had to find it in a message board. So if your BB-8 is not charging or connected to Bluetooth, press the button. Don't forget, you can also turn your Bluetooth on and off, and that might help it connect. Look, he's alive! He's alive! Again! Just like the first time I plugged him in forever ago.